Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a birthday album I made. This is in a birthday boy theme. So I used the paper collection called Make-A-Wish Birthday Boy. This is by Echo Park. And I used an entire 6x6 paper pad to make this album. So there's like a basic tutorial from Let's Get Scrappy, which I will link hers down below. She shares with you guys like the inside pages and how to make that. So I will link her tutorial down below in case you guys want to watch that and check it out. But I did also make it my own and add in some other elements that I wanted to do and things like that. And just whatever I needed to do to be able to smash this whole entire 6x6 paper pad. So that's all I used for this. Obviously you guys could see I used some solids which were bigger than 6x6, but those are just some solids from my stash. And then obviously the collection didn't come with stickers. I mean, you could get the additional stickers. I just used some stickers that I already had in my stash from using like a previous birthday boy collection, and I just put some stickers on there. And yeah, so let's get started and I'll share with you guys what this looks like. And if I sound a little bit sick, that's because I am a little bit sick. So don't mind my voice, but I still wanted to get this video done because yeah, I haven't been in my craft room for like a few days now and I needed to finally do something. So on the front cover here, it says Let's Eat Cake. This is a cut apart from the 6x6 paper pad. I did stitching all the way around, stitching on the little cut apart, got some cute enamel dots, and this is like a green ribbon I had in my stash. This is actually something I got, I think it was a Christmas gift, and there was a green ribbon on it, and I was like, well, I'm going to repurpose it and use that here. Here's the spine, and you can see I did silver instead of gold. Normally I do like gold foil paper. For the boy one, I did silver. You'll see later on in another video, I'll share with you guys this one that I made, and that one is with gold. But for boy, I think just silver goes better for boy themed things. So you open this up and it looks like this. And here I made a little pocket, and you can see I have like a variety of blues in here for the background paper. Here as well, like there's some royal blue here, then this is like a navy blue, this is a light blue, and that's mainly because I didn't have enough of all of these. Like the ones that I used here is from like a winter stack, like a paper stack, and one of the colors was dark blue. I'm gonna share with you guys because there was only like I think 3 of each color. Yeah, 3 of each color, and that wasn't enough for me. So I did 3 of each color just for like these pieces, and then I didn't have enough for the rest. So yeah, I just used what I could because there's 3 of each color in here. And this is like I said, from a winter kind of cardstock pack that I had in my stash. I believe this is from scrapbook.com at some point. So I just wanted to use up some cardstock in my stash and was trying to use up some of those 12x12s. I did use a lot of my 8.5x11s, making those like card foils and things. So I did use a lot of those in general, and now I'm tackling the 12x12 just because I have a lot of solid cardstock and a lot of the time I don't use them. So I was happy to use them here and change it up a little bit, do a different color base and everything that's not black or white. So this one is like a royal blue. So, and then like you could see the light blue here, and then there's a dark navy blue. Like there's just a bunch of different blues. So here I have this pocket, and inside here I have this cut apart that just says wishing you an incredible birthday, and it looks like this. And I actually, you guys could see I used my stub punch to kind of make those cute corners. I love using the stub punch. I usually do it for like Halloween stuff, but I do like it for like birthday things as well, and some other things. Scallop I really like for Christmas or fancy things. And then I also have like the regular corner rounder that does 2 different sizes of corner rounding, but I definitely recommend getting your stub scallop punch because this is like one of my more used items in my craft room, especially when making albums, just adding a little bit of like a design. You could see it peeking out here as well on these inserts. I did the stub punch there, so I will have this link down below in case you guys want to get it. And then I had a piece little fly out of there. So there's that booklet that lives there. Then there's also this piece, just like a little, I don't know if this is a 3x3 or what, maybe a little smaller. And then I had a little scrap left over, and I just matted this guy onto some blue and made a cute little tag with that little scrap. And obviously you could take any of these out. You could put them under here. These are little tuck spots, or you could just add in like your full photo back there and glue it down and whatnot, or just like a photo mat. So that is a tuck spot. This is from the collection. And interestingly enough, between the boy one and the girl one, the boy one had these little bits. The girl one did not. The girl one had like an additional cut apart page. So that was a little annoying when I was doing my girl album, because I did the boy one first and I tried to make the girl one the same, but couldn't make it exactly the same for that reason. So then here you could add another like full-size photo, and you could fit 4x6 size photos on here, a little bit shorter than 6 because this whole height is 6 with the blue. So maybe like a 4x5, you could do a 5x5 comfortably on here. So whatever size you want to do, but you could get a good size photo here, obviously. Then you have another pocket here. You can add smaller photos on this pocket if you wanted to, like a couple of smaller ones. You could add a larger one back here. You could add the photos in the pocket as well. But there is also like this journal card. And I didn't like this. This was in the collection, and both of the sheets in the collection, it was kind of like cut off like this. And that was bugging me a little bit. I don't know if they meant to do that on purpose or not, but that's how it was on both sheets. And I figured, well, if somebody wants to journal and use it, they can, but that's just how it came. You would think that they would have like an even border on this side too with the green, but that's just not how it was. And you can see I did the stub punch on this as well. Then I have this 3x3, says woohoo, and you could just add a photo on the inside or journal or both. Then you have the space on the back as well. And then I had another little scrappy, so I just die cut him out with like a stitch tag die set I have in my stash, and I'll have that link down below as well. I'm always using my stitch tag die set, so this is the one I use most of the time. I'll have it linked down below in case you guys want to get one too. Amazon does have it, so I'll link that. So yeah, I just made this little tag, and I wanted to bring out the silver foil paper in case you guys don't know where I get it, but I get it from Michael's. I will have this link down below as well. And yeah, that's just kind of where I get my silver foil paper. Same thing with my gold. Okay, so then in this, these are all like pocket kind of signatures. So there's this insert here, and then you flip it, and then you have either like journal space, or you could add another photo and whatnot, and that just lives in this page here. And I like having it stick out a little bit, just so you know that there's something for you to pull out. Then here you could add another like full-size photo. I've got another little kind of cut apart that was in the collection. So this one says party. Was able to die cut out another little tag with some of the pattern paper. And then I also did a solid white and a solid blue. And I just stuck them all in here. So you could use these throughout your album. They don't have to obviously be here. You can tuck your photo behind there and maybe just glue it down on 3 sides. And then you could always put a tag behind it. So that's always a fun idea. Then this page, I've got another little booklet that just says, "You're so sweet." Looks like this. This is a cute little, like, I guess, pocket. And then this flips open and it just says birthday wishes here. And then you could do some journaling, and this kind of holds it closed. Then this is my second signature right here. There's only 2 signatures in this album, but you can still fit like a good amount of photos to document like a birthday. So here again, you could add another full-size photo, or you could add in like 4 smaller photos. It really depends on how you want to do this album, which, by the way, this album as well as the girl one are available in my Etsy shop at the time of you guys seeing this video. And there's a bunch of birthday things in my Etsy shop because, as you guys know, for my paper stash smash goal for this month, I'm using up 6x6 paper pads, but 6 of them that are all in a birthday theme. So I have been making a ton of birthday projects for boy and girl. So yeah, check out my Etsy shop, you guys. So then there's this page. Again, you can add in your full-size photo. I've got another pocket here. We've got this cut apart, happy birthday to you. We've got this tag, and then there's this 3x4, and it just says celebrate. So they all live in this pocket here. And then there's another insert here that looks like this, and that's really cute. I normally don't even add inserts into my albums like this because I normally run out of paper, but I had enough for this one. Then here, I actually used a magnet and I just made like a little like flip out thing. However, you could use it as a little flip out, but this whole thing also comes out just like that. And I thought this would be like a really cute birthday card for some, like you could write your message on here on the inside. And it's going to be like hidden in here, and then you could add a photo. But that way you could use this as a birthday card inside of your album. And then it comes back in here and it does magnetize closed, which I thought was really awesome. I did use my newer magnets that I got that you guys saw in a video. I'm going to share them with you guys. I used the 3/8 inch size. These are from Total Element Magnets. I'm going to have them linked down below because I really just love using their magnets, and they are so much cheaper than basic gray, and on top of that they are thinner, and I just really like using them. A lot of you guys that bought them, you guys have said you love them. Thank you for sharing and all that, so I'm happy to share my awesome finds with you guys. I use the 3/8 inch a lot, and then also the 1/2 inch a lot. So I'll have both of them linked down below. Here I did use the 3/8 inch, but yeah, those are my 2 most used ones. And I did get some more, so you guys are going to be seeing in another video, if you haven't already yet, seen the newer video of magnets that I got to try out as well. But these are definitely a staple for now. And then I also know I got some adhesive ones, so we'll see how those are. But I don't mind that these don't have adhesive because we're all using like double-sided tape for the most part. Like a lot of us use double-sided tape, and it's just so easy to get them to stick down. And I think by also not having the adhesive, they're a little bit cheaper that way. So I honestly don't mind. If I could get more magnets for my money, then why not, you know? So then here I decided to make a little belly band. I've got a little 2x2 that says 3, 2, 1, make a wish. And it looks like that. Obviously I could tuck this in like this, but I kind of like it hanging over. I think that's cute. And then I had this piece left over and I just made a little booklet. So yeah, I mean, you could use that as a card too if you'd like, or just add additional photos and whatnot. So there's that one. Then here, again, another full-size photo. And then here I've got another pocket, but then I also had this strip left, so I just turned that into another little pocket on top of that. So I added in a couple of tags into that smaller pocket. And then in the larger pocket, I have another 2x2 that just says it's your birthday, and 3x3. And those just live in here. So I think that turned out really, really cute. So yeah, really fun birthday album that you can add photos to or give to a birthday boy or a birthday girl if these are your favorite, if these are their favorite colors. Because I know like my nephew loves red, which I guess this one will be more fitting because there's red in here. He's like a red and blue, but pink I guess is girl is pink and purple, but some boys like pink and purple, you guys. It's just like when you get to the girl ones, although it can be for a boy too, I feel like boys may not like unicorns and things like that are featured in the girl one, but maybe some do, and that's okay. So anyway, I'm just saying this could be for either boy or girl. But obviously the way that I think of it is birthday boy. It's just the general colors. And it does say birthday boy on the paper pad. Anyway, you guys, so that is what I made with this whole entire 6x6 paper pad. Again, this is available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested. And all of the things I shared are also linked down below. My punch, the magnets with a coupon code are linked down below. And the tag die set that I use, that's linked down below, as well as the paper pad itself. So everything you guys need and the tutorial for the base pages, everything you need is in the description box down below. So check that out, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.